Mr. Nkwana approaches the magistrate and make a representation that you were being treated or you were being assaulted by the police, not so?
Manje ke inkantolo yaseBoksburg umbana utshela inkantolo ukuthi ukade ushayo.
Yeah.
Yebo, yes.
Those were your instructions to him.
Wena owamtshela lokho.
Yebo mina ngamtshela lokho ngoba yena mayefika kimi uyangibuza ukuthi mayefika nje sikhuluma ngokuthi ummeli lo bakade ekhona ecourt akasekho kuthiwa akabhadaliwe. Ngithi mina kuye baba lo mmeli lo othi lapha ecourt akabhadaliwe ubeqashwe ngubani? Ngifuna ukwazi lapho futhi ubani umtshela
He was told by me because he came to me, told me that the lawyer that was here in court is no more there because he hadn't been paid. I then wanted to know he hadn't been paid, but who appointed him?
Yes.
Kuyilesi sikhathi ngimtshela ukuthi umbona nje ukubalekile naseRustenburg ifike ngacela usize ngicela bengivele bengibophele yena lo baba lo uthi mangivuma icala ungitshela ngedeal amaphoyisa ungitshela nge3 million kahle kahle ungummeli noma uyinhla afuna nje ke ngihlukaniseke lapho kahle kahle.
I then told him that this gentleman, even in Rustenburg, I needed some assistance where I wanted to be assisted in laying charges against him because he was telling me to plead guilty, and he also told me about the deal. So I wanted some assistance to know whether was he really a legal representative or what.
Ngigambalela ngithi mshayo ngamaphazana angisayinisa amaphepha ngabasa.
I informed him that I had been assaulted by the police, made me to sign documents that I knew nothing about.
Yes, Mr. Tanzi.
Yeah.
Now, after you gave those instructions to Mr. Nkwana, then he conveyed them to the court, not so?
Usumtshelile ke wena lokho. Yena ke watshela inkantolo.
Yeah, wenyukile afike washo court ukuthi
Yes, he went up and informed the court that I had some complaints.
futhi nami bakunike ithuba lokukhuluma ngakhona.
They also gave me or afforded me an opportunity to address the court, and I did that.
Yes, and then
Prospect ngizama amahlandla amaningi ngiphakamisa isandla lo ticala zami simukele.
But in Boksburg, I tried on several occasions raising my hand, but I was not attended to.
thank you. But now the magistrate on that day,
Please, my lord. I think for some time we held our peace, even during the leading of this witness by Mr. Ramsipil. But, my lord, Exhibit EE in brackets 3 is there on record, and contextualize what is on record, my lord.
no objection. The state we still have to cross-examine. It is no need for the state to intercept and want to conceptualize, to put into context, to dichotomize and dissect and whatever that the state can say they want to do. The cross-examination is coming. If there is something that they feel like this witness is becoming uncomfortable or untruthful with, that will be their chunk of their time. But they cannot then all of a sudden stand up now and say, let us contextualize this. That's not what procedure says. They still have to, they will get their opportunity in cross-examination. Thank you, my lord. Right, Mr. Ntanzi. After there was a representation, then the magistrate, a representation from Mr. Nkwana, then the magistrate gave specific instructions or made certain requests to the state, Mr. Baloyi himself, and said, Mr. Baloyi, Mr. Ramsipili has already read this into record. I'm going to do it again. as an emphasis. This is what the magistrate says. Mr. Baloyi, do you confirm that this information was given to you and that you have undertaken to assist the prosecutor, who I assume was Mr. Baloyi, then said, indeed, Your Worship? Is that what happened, Mr. Ntanzi?
Kwenzeka inkantolo umnumzana uNkwana eseyitshelileke inkantolo yase iqinisekisa ke naye umshushisi ukuthi ke umnumzana Baloyi uthembisile ke ukuthi ke wawuzolekelela ke lana usulizwile ke lo daba lolu waphendula ke umshushisi engicabangako ukuthi kwakuye umnumzana Baloyi wathi yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Is that what happened?
Yiloko kwenzeka.
ngalelo langa
Yes.
ilokho kwenzeka kodwa akaze ngisizakala.
Yes, that's what happened, but I never got assistance.
No, man, I'm not asking whether you got assistance or what. I'm simply asking, is that what happened now? Ungafakeleli Ntanzi.
Angikubuzi ukuthi wathola yini usizo noma uzange ulithole, ngikubuza ukuthi yiloko yini okwenzeka.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, is it correct, Mr. Ntanzi, that at the commencement, this whole process happened before the commencement of a trial within a trial in this case? I'm saying that which we have just read now into record that I've said, I will re-emphasize it again, happened before the commencement of the trial within a trial in this case.
Lokho ngiqeda ukufundela kona ke manje bengisithi ke ngicizelela kona ke ukuthi kwenzeka ngaphambi kokuthi ke kube ne trial kona lo cala leli.
Yeah, kwenzeka phambili.
Yes, it happened before.
And you have just told this court in your interaction with Mr. Ramusipiri that that which the magistrate requested the state to do, it never happened.
Uqede umtshelile ke umnumzana Ramusipiri noma ke ushilo kule nkantolo ukuthi lokho akaze kwenzeke.
Yeah, Nkosi Ntando.
Yes, my lord.
Thank you. So, is it so and correct, Mr. Ntanji, that when the trial within a trial commenced and the basis of the contestation of this document that was from the magistrate were laid bare before this court, amongst others, that you have been assaulted, the state already had that information, not so?
As you could please, my lord, once again, we are constrained to stand up because counsel is really not putting the correct facts before the court. If one looks at exhibits E in brackets 3, the complaint was by accused number 3 that is being assaulted at the correctional center where he's being held. And then Mr. Nkwana said, well, accused number 2 also has a similar complaint about the assault at the correctional center where he's being held. It's got nothing to do with the trial within a trial, as counsel is
As
putting
it
it.
is the court, my lord, the proceedings of the 5th of March 2021 on page number 9, line number 5. This is what Mr. Nkwana, who then took over from the said Mr. Mchiako, said and conveyed to the court. Now, the same may be going for accused number 2, the one that I have just come in on record, and that was you, Mr. Ntanzi. He is also complaining of assault, and may the same arrangement be made so that he can also be consulted or approached so that he can open a case. Then the court says, Mr. Baloyi, do you confirm that this information was given to you and that you have undertaken to assist? That's a question from the magistrate. Let us now hear what Mr. Baloyi said. He said, indeed, Your Worship. What does that mean? I am aware. That's what the state says, which is the reason why I am saying now, Mr. And I'm not arguing with you, Ntanzi. I'm just trying to contextualize this thing. Do you understand? Do you understand, Mr. Ntanzi?
You are reading from some bits.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Jonas.
Please calm down.
Oh, yes.
Not your fault.
Yes.
Uthi umnumzane uMnisi ukufundela okwenzeke enkantolo. Unkwana etshela umagistrate. Uma ngabe kwakhuluma inkulumo yanomsola wesithathu, wase unkwana yasukuma-ke etshela inkantolo ukuthi noNtanzi-ke naye unalesi sikhalo naye-ke. Imantshi-ke yase iqinisekisa kuyena umnumzane Baloyi ukuthi umnumzane Baloyi angithi lokhu uyakwazi ukutsheliwe. Wase yavuma-ke wathi yebo. So uthi umnumzane uMnisi ukufundela nje lokho okwenzeka enkantolo.
Do you understand?
yebo ngithi.
Thank
Yes,
you.
I understand.
Now, fast forward. In this trial, the state wanted to introduce the evidence of the confession, of the alleged confession that you allegedly made to the magistrate, the Boxback, the white lady, Kronje.
Manje-ke lana kuleli icala-ke abeshushisi-ke bebefuna-ke ukuthi balethe ngaphambili-ke istatement-ke lesi abantu bahamba bayosenza kwimagistrate eBoksburg uMiss Clonye.
Do you understand?
Yezwakala.
yebo ngithi.
Yes.
Now the defense, Mr. Ramusipili, I think Mr. Mgomezulu again, stood up and said no, but we're contesting the admissibility or the legality of the admission of that document because, amongst others, Ntanzi was assaulted by the police.
Kwase kusukuma abameli-ke babola Msipile babungomezulu bathi cha siyaphikisana-ke nalo i-document le noma i-statement leso ngoba uNtanzi washaywa amaphoyisa.
Do you understand?
Yazwakala.
yebo ngithi.
Yes.
Now my question is it correct that at that moment where the defense stood up and said, we are contesting this document because Ntanzi, amongst others, was assaulted by the police, the state that is prosecuting in this case already knew about these allegations of assault?
Manje kumbuzo wami kuwena uthi-ke ngaleso sikhathi leso abameli besukuma bethi cha siyaphikisana nale statement nina enifuna ukuthi nisivezeke. Ingoba-ke ngaleso sikhathi leso abashushisi babe nolwazi lwazo iy'nsolo lezi zokushaywa ngaleso sikhathi leso.
yebo.
Yes.
That is because already on the 5th of March 2021, the state had admitted before the magistrate that indeed, Your Worship, after the magistrate has asked him whether or not he confirms the information that was given to him and that he undertakes to assist, and then the state said indeed. In other words, when the trial within the trial commenced, they were already aware that there were these allegations of assault. That's basically what I'm trying to determine.
That's a good Prisman. I'm not really going to rehash these things, but if counsel were to read the record, he learned that accused said the assault stopped on the 24th, on the 24th of June, 2020. This is, as we've been at pains to indicate, that it's got absolutely nothing to do with the confessions. It is what Mr. Nkwana was saying as to the complaint of accused number 3 that is being assaulted at the correctional facility where it's being held. And he then said, well, accused number 2 also says, complains basically about assault at the correctional facility where it's being held. It's got absolutely nothing to do with the confessions as counsel is trying to do.
As it is the court, my lord, I will not get into this gymnastics because the record speaks for itself. You're raising your hand, Mr. Ntanji?
Yes, he asked me to interpret for him, so you see that you're not giving me a chance.
Wow, okay, I'm sorry, okay. I'm sorry, Mr. Jonas. I'm sorry.
Umshushisi utshela inkantolo ukuthi lokho kushiwo u-advocate uMnisi ukuthi akuhlangene lutho nestatement noma-ke i-confession law abathi wayenza kumagistrate eBoksburg uMrs Clonye. Kodwa-ke uma ngabe utshela inkantolo washo-ke ukuthi ukushaywa noma ke kwaphela nokwakungeyi-24 noma ngaphambi kwazo i-24 noma ke ngeyi-24 lezo kwase bengasashayi noma kwagcina angisho ngibe kanje lithi kwagcina ngazo i-24 okusho ukuthi kwakungahlangene lutho noma ngahlangene nhlobo ne-confession owayoyenza kwi-magistrate yilo kashoyo Mr. Balweni.
angithi vele into angeke yena ngithi laba befisa enhlizweni yabo.
Isn't it that what they wanted or their will had already been fulfilled